Are you an aspiring solicitor on your way to qualify as a solicitor of England and Wales? Are you sitting the next SQE2 exam and not sure if you're ready? You don't want to delay, but you also don't want to fail it. My name is Janelle Hall. I'm an interview trainer here at OSCEsmart, and I'm here to answer these questions for you. How to find out if you're ready to sit the SQE2. We actually offer one-to-one mock exams, similar to the exam. You can experience the real deal, only just a little bit more challenging, so we can identify any gaps in your knowledge, hone your skills, and teach you the exam. Our tutoring solicitors have themselves passed the exam. Our team is client-focused, and we give personalized feedback to each and every candidate. We genuinely value each person and really commit to provide the best service. It's essential to have experience of the SQE2 exam before you attend it. Statistically, students sitting for a second time have a better pass rate because they know what to expect. And remember, in SQE2, you only have 3 attempts. We've been training the best legal professionals from all over the world to be your tutors, who themselves previously passed the exam that we are now teaching you. They collected the best tips, tricks, and techniques and are more than happy to pass these inside scoops to our candidates. And great news! We made an SQE training platform where you may book as many individually marked mock exams as you want without subscribing for a package. The Super Exam platform has a booking system to automate and facilitate your training and is self-tailored according to your needs, time schedule, and life circumstances. You simply go to the booking, choose the mock exam that you wish to handle, for example, client interview. Choose if you want to submit an individually marked attendance note. It's effectively 2 mocks in one, so more expensive than opting for a suggested answer, but more effective for the exam purposes and recommended to be done at least once, ideally on your second interview. There's also a library where you can purchase different lectures and materials. For example, many students find it useful to buy drafting lectures with notes. Those cover the most likely drafting exercises that solicitors should be able to conduct in practice and which may come up in the exam. Our prices are quite reasonable, as you may see. Here you also may book events such as our very popular legal theatre demo interviews, seminars, live lectures, and other resources. Before purchasing, you may need to top up your account. That can be done in the wallet section of the platform. So, if you've been thinking about doing a trial session of the exam or would like to enhance your study resources, click the link below to book. That's it from me. Be smart.